Honda 6500 watts generator, by battery for Honda 6500 generator. A Honda U6500 generator is a great resource for a homeowner or for a business. You can use a generator to engage in tasks that you would normally not be able to do during a power outage, such as keeping your refrigerator from running out of food. However, keeping a generator running well requires the right kind of maintenance, which is something that not everyone has the time or the knowledge to execute. In this blog, we will be discussing the battery for Honda 6500 generator. Maintenance, and it does not require any special skills or knowledge. How to check for battery strength on the Honda generator. In order to check your battery, first shut down the generator and disconnect it from the power outlet. Then, you should take a voltmeter and measure the voltage of your battery. The voltage should be higher than 12.3 volts. If you find that the battery voltage is lower than 12.3 volts, it means that the battery needs to be charged. Battery for Honda 6500 generator. Then you need to charge the battery using a charger. Its ampere-hour rating is 11.2 Ah. You should charge the battery at a current equal to 10% of its ampere-hour rating. Battery chargers with an output of 1.1 amps should be used. Follow the manufacturer's instructions when connecting the battery charger. It should be charged for 5 to 10 hours. Make a solution of baking soda and water and clean the outside of the battery. After the charge, the generator should start through the start switch within a few seconds, but if it does not, then your batteries might need to be changed again. Battery charging system. When the engine is running, the battery is being recharged, which is ideal for everyday use. In order to keep the generator's battery operating for as long as possible, it must be recharged monthly. The generator should be used sparingly if you want it to last as long as possible. Warning. Because it is susceptible to heat and moisture damage, the battery can cause serious burns on contact. Electrolytes can also cause serious burns when they get in your eyes or on your skin. Wear safety goggles when handling electrolytes. Don't let children play with batteries. Lead and lead compounds can be present in terminals, battery posts, and related accessories. Clean your hands after handling these products. Removing and replacing the Honda generator battery, accessories. Battery removing procedure. The first step in opening a lock is to lift up on the handle. To remove the handle from the locking mechanism, rotate the lock levers and lift it off. In the second step, remove the battery maintenance cover by loosening the cover screw. Removing the negative cable from the battery's negative terminal, and removing the positive plus cable from its positive terminal, plus, is the third step. As the fourth step of the procedure, you will need to unhook the battery strap from the bottom hook of the generator. After completing this step, you can remove the battery from the tray onto a flat surface. Warning. While in normal operation, the battery emits hydrogen gas that is explosive. You may be fatally injured or killed by the explosion of a battery caused by a spark or flame. Wear protective clothing and a face shield, or have a skilled mechanic perform battery maintenance. Battery installation. Connect the generator's battery to the generator. Using the positive plus cable, connect the positive plus terminal of the battery to the battery positive plus cable and tighten the bolt firmly. Cover the positive plus cable and terminal by sliding the battery boot. Ensure that the battery negative cable is connected to the negative terminal of the battery, and tighten the bolt. The battery strap should be attached to the battery. Reinstall the battery maintenance cover in the reverse order from when it was taken off. Never operate the generator without the maintenance cover in place, as poor engine and generator performance will result. Battery for Honda 6500 generator. You can use replacement for Honda S6500 generator 35Ah AGM battery with M6 insert terminals for the battery of your Honda 6500 generator or other generators. The battery replacement is made of the top quality brand new 100% manufacturer approved cells to provide your Honda 6500 generator long service life in an area that has very high temperature. The technical details of this battery are written below. Manufacturer, technical precision. Part number, AX0G4D1. Power source, battery powered. Item package, quantity 1. Battery capacity, 35 amp hours, max. You can buy it on Amazon. The product is intended especially designed in compliance with the need and usage of well-known models commonly used voltage system applications including generator, automobile, motorcycles, trucking industry etc. The AGM for Honda generator. The battery is a device that helps to power electrical devices such as an electric motors. It has a group of cells connected in parallel inside the unit, and it rests on one or more terminals for receiving electricity from outside sources. In most cases, it can store some recharge energy. A battery is made up of electrochemical reactions taking place between electrodes and chemicals that react with each other during discharge or charging respectively. Battery CCA rating. The CCA rating tells you how many cranking amps is provided while the engine is running, one of its most important functions. A cranking amp indicates how much current will flow during starting a car that has been parked since being fully charged. The CCA rating on electric vehicles depends on the number of cells in series to achieve this value. For instance, shipping and handling of Honda 6500 generator. When you buy this auto power generator, the shipping weight is 77 pounds. This product has a peak wattage capacity of 6500 watts, which makes it perfect for medium-sized homes. The Honda 6500 generator includes a 5-year warranty against manufacturer's defects with no fuel delivery system included.